Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari, SSC teacher, and as you know very well, the lesson is going on. Means I want to tell it the geography is going on, and finally we have reached the last lesson of the geography. It is the lifeline of the national economy. You know very well, it is the last lesson. It is a marking lesson. It is very important lesson for the board exam, especially for the maps, and especially for the 3 marks to 5 marks questions. And many times has been seen value based question has been appeared in the board exam. So over my experience, I want to advise you that you must prepare this lesson for not only for your curiosity but also for your knowledge and consideration. So hope all the students could listen it very carefully. So let's we start the lesson. In the first, I want to tell it clear what is the meaning of lifeline. As I want to tell lifelines. Lifeline means it is very clear or very simple term as we have seen in the biology. Lifeline is called the veins and the arteries. Veins and arteries that carry and forward the blood into the whole body. So this way, this system maintain the whole body warm up and alive for throughout the life as the people want to live their life. So it is clear. Lifeline means a kind of system, a kind of factors which are responsible to carry the strength, carry the energy throughout in the body. As the same way in the economy, so many factors are responsible to alive the economy of the country, because without the kind of carrying in forward all these factors or the kind of elements which are working throughout the country to improve the economy, because economy is a kind of activities in the terms of economical ground where many of the factors which are responsible to survive the people through the kind of various activities, because people is the main source of the power. As we study in the second lesson in the geography, people as a resource, where the people means the kind of resource which is not only very important but also very smart in the intelligence and the wisdom, which decide the use of the things into the proper order. So economy where different elements are responsible, and with the supervision of the human beings all these things are working with the efficiency so that carry all the things throughout the area in the boundary of the country. These factors are the transportation, second is the communication, next is the tourism, then next one is the international trade. So all these things especially are known as a kind of veins. Veins means a kind of artery system that carry the things into the whole country. So in such a way they alive the economy because they run throughout the body and carry the important things which are very important to carry to alive the economy in the country. And all these things are very important as we will study one by one about the kind of these elements which are very important and work as a arteries and the veins. Arteries and veins, as I clear it, the kind of system which carry the blood into the human body. The same way, all these things are known as a arteries and the veins that carry or alive the economy, and they also survive the economy in the whole country, and they are very important.